D-Weezy on the track, D-Weezy on the track. Baby boy the Prince. Beat time on Cash Monroe. Extreme entertainment.
This is the way I live. Little boy still pushing big wheels. I stack my money, lay low and chill. Don't need to work hard, that's the way I feel. I feel like this is the way I live.
Everything in life points to a certain path. How do we know what road is ours? Do we really have a designated path that we are destined to be on? And if so, what routes will take us on our journey of life? To me, everyone has a different passageway. No one with the same journey or same experience. Some directions, as dark as they may be the only ones some people see. Channels to righteousness or glory may be destined for some. But what happens when their glory fades? Do they fall on a different channel and keep heading forward? Or do they simply turn around and accept that their journey is over? Do we want to wander our lives on all these different paths? Can we find our way to happiness? Can we really take that step into the unknown to find what we were looking for? I know I can. Can you? If you're on your path and you're doing what you love, don't give it up. Just keep walking. Or in my case, skating.
That's the way I feel like this is the way I live. Little boy still pushing big wheels. I stack my money, lay low and chill. Don't need to work hard, that's the way I feel like this is the way I live. Baby boy, I done it again. I'm riding fly with D-Weezy when the Mercedes Benz.